newly created one by typing cd Ansible. And here we'll create an inventory file by typing nano hosts. Now let's add a new group to this inventory file. We should type the name of the group in square brackets, and we'll call it db, and add some servers to this group. I'll type 192.168.1.3 and .4. After it is done, I'll press Ctrl X and save changes. Now we can refer to this group of servers and to these hosts files when issuing Ansible commands. So for example, you could type ansible-m pin-i, meaning inventory, and then specify to the path to your inventory. In my case, it's located in home folder, which is /ansible/hosts. Now, if you don't want to create your own inventory file, but you want to use the default inventory file which is created after Ansible is set up, it is located in etc Ansible directory. Let me open it with nano editor. I'll type nano/etc/ansible hosts.